How to do cardio to lose weight. Doing cardio is one of the best things you can do to lose weight. To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you eat during the day. And cardio is a great way to burn calories. In this video, you will learn how to use cardio while trying to lose weight. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for new videos before starting the video. What is cardio? Cardio is short for cardiorespiratory training. Cardio is exercise that increases heart rate. Both long-term slow-paced exercises and short-term high-effort exercises are cardio. You can use these two types of cardio while trying to lose weight. Both help you burn fat very efficiently. Why should you do cardio? Doing cardio is above all beneficial for your heart health. The risk of having heart problems increases without exercising. It will be useful to do cardio to reduce the risk of heart disease when you get older. Doing cardio burns calories. And if you want to lose weight, you should aim to burn calories. Cardio is a good tool for this. It is possible to lose weight by eating too little food without exercising at all. However, this is not a healthy method for your body. Also, exercising more allows you to eat more food. So you can easily lose weight without starving yourself. Losing weight does not happen overnight. That's why you should have a diet and exercise plan that you can follow for long periods of time. By doing cardio, you can get rid of your fat more easily and in a shorter time. Types of cardio. There is no single way to do cardio. To lose weight, you can take brisk walks for 45 minutes, or jog for 30 minutes, or do short sprints. All of these are useful for burning calories. There are countless ways to do cardio. I recommend you do whichever of these you love. Losing weight is a long process. So doing the things you love will make the process more enjoyable for you. Cycling, jogging, climbing stairs, jumping rope, swimming, rowing, high-intensity interval training or sprinting. You can choose the one that suits you. How much cardio should you do to lose weight? To lose weight, you should have a regular exercise plan. Just one workout won't do you any good. Likewise, when you are bored once or twice a month, it is difficult to lose weight by going for a run. That way, you won't get the results you want. You should determine which days of the week you will do cardio. It is a good option to do cardio 2 or 3 times a week. You don't need to do cardio every day of the week to lose weight. You will lose weight as long as you determine your daily calorie need according to your activity level and take 250 to 300 less than this amount each day. If you're doing high-intensity interval training, you should give your body time to recover. For this, you should take a break at least one day between your training days. However, if you're doing low-intensity cardio, you can train more often. Regardless of age and body fat percentage, anyone can take a 45-minute walk in the morning on an empty stomach. My recommendation is to do prolonged low-tempo cardio. Since the carbohydrate stores in your body are empty, your body will use your fat during walking, and if you follow a correct diet plan, you will lose weight easily. If you like high-intensity interval training more, you can train this way 3 times a week. This will also be great for your heart health and for fat loss. The important thing to lose weight is to exercise and eat right. As long as you do these right, you have no reason not to lose weight. Start doing cardio as soon as possible and don't rush to see results. The pleasure you get when you reach your goals will be invaluable. Good luck. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.